Hey everybody, Ethan here. And my office is kind of in a bit of a wreck right now. So, in case you can't tell yet, we're getting ready to move. We're moving out of this house, and this is no little move. This is a big move we're making. We currently live in Virginia, and we're getting ready to move all the way out to Illinois. Yeah, it's a pretty long way to go. And it's really exciting to me because for about as long as I've been in film, I've been working out of my bedroom. I use my bedroom as my studio area, which if you've ever had to do that, you know it's not ideal. Well, it's exciting to me because the new place we're moving into has a partly finished basement, and I'm going to be able to use that as my dedicated studio space. It's really exciting to me because I get to have my own room to use as my filmmaking room instead of having to always work in my bedroom. So it's really exciting to me. I'm really excited to take you guys through that with me as I kind of create my studio space in this room. I'm going to do a new desk setup and show you guys some videos on that. Some new videos are coming soon about all this stuff. Hopefully next week I'll actually be in the studio and I can show you the room and what we're planning to do with it. So thank you guys for watching, thank you for hanging with me, and we'll see you then.